Rhonda, what's going on? Dallas and Rams are playing in Hawaii. Is this a? I'm assuming that's football. Game is sold out. I have 12 tickets and I want to market with my unit. How and where do I do that? Got it. If you have, okay, so um, Rhonda, when you have something special like that, like when our students were doing, like if you're doing a Super Bowl situation or you're doing a presidential inauguration. I'm like, I'm out here in LA and I'm kind of excited for the Olympics. I know it's nowhere near time for them, but I'm already excited about it. Um, Anytime you're doing something special like that, put it in the title and specify dates. Right? And so put it in the title. That way you'll attract the attention. And then you're going to specify the dates in the description near the top so that they know reservations of what now if you're going to do that, you need to specify things like minimum stay. Like if this is what you're saying, I would create a minimum stay length. I don't know, maybe 3 days, like the day before, the day after, and definitely the day during, or maybe even five. It's up to you. I don't know when this Dallas and Rams game occurs. I don't know if it's during your high season, and if it is during your high season, I may even go as far as a 7 day minimum, and still charge a premium because of all the extra factors combined. So that's definitely there. Now, also because you will be attracting, like we've done, we've housed some professional NFL players. So hear me clearly. Make sure that that you have all of the security stuff set up so that if the wrong team, whatever that is, the wrong team doesn't win, they don't take it out on your house or condo or whatever you got. So hopefully that makes sense. Yes. If you like information like this, go ahead and hit that like button because that tells YouTube that more entrepreneurs see us, and definitely hit the subscribe button, notification bell, so that the next time we publish more quality content like this, you can be a part. Thanks.